Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I am swatching and reviewing a 6-piece gel polish kit that I got from Amazon. It's by this brand called Mild East. I did feature this sort of briefly in my Amazon AliExpress haul, but I thought I'd do a whole separate video on it, swatching it and whatnot. This initially, when I bought it, it was only £4.44 for the 6-piece, which I thought was an absolute bargain. It wasn't a daily deal, but I figured like it would go up in price, but I wasn't expecting it to have the price hike that it did. It is now currently selling for £20, which is a price I would never pay for 6 gel polishes, especially from a brand I've never heard of. I'm quite shocked. I sort of expected them to sort of go up to the around £10 mark maximum really, so I was quite shocked to see that they've gone up to £20, especially when I only pay £4 for them. I was kind of hoping to be able to recommend you guys some really affordable gel polish, but it's kind of gone in the opposite direction. But I'm still going to carry on. We're still going to test out these gel polishes, see whether they're worth the £20. I personally don't think any gel polish, it's only a 6-piece set, is worth £20, but let's dive in and have a look. So on the back of the box we do have the how to use instructions for the gel polish. Pretty standard, it's sort of the same with any gel polish really. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. We've just got this cute sort of green packaging and then just some very plain looking plastic black bottles. So this is what the bottles look like. They are only 8ml ones. It's a soak off gel polish, soak off gel enamel. And it says colour fevers. There is no actual colour on the bottle or anything, it just says on the bottom there what number it is. Nothing on the top or anything, so they're pretty standard bottles. I think they are actually glass bottles and they have got the details printed onto it rather than a sticker. No ingredients or anything like that, just a barcode. So they're pretty standard looking bottles really. So I will pop an image up on the screen of the colours that are in this collection. I can't really remember off the top of my head, but I'm just going to dive straight in. with my swatch sticks. I'm just going to swatch them all, see how opaque they are, whether they're really sheer, see how they cure, and just give you guys my overall thoughts on them. So the first one is this sort of like kind of like blue looking jelly glitter polish, as you can sort of see there. It does look really pretty. So let's go in and apply one coat. But yeah, as you can see straight away there, it is very much sort of like jelly colour, very sheer. Not a huge amount of glitter getting covered on there. So yeah, that's the first one. But I'll probably whack a couple of coats on that anyway, just sort of see it a bit better. I'm going to whack a layer on here as well, because I've bought these new like swatch buttons, I sort of call them, to go on top of all my gel polish bottles, just because I normally go with swatch sticks, and I figured it'd be quicker and easier just to have a little thing on top of the bottle with the exact sort of colour that I get from the product. Okay, then we've got this next one, which is 057. Oh, it's another sparkly one, kind of like a brown sparkly. Okay, so let's give this a swatch. Looks like it's going to be very, yeah, look at that, very sheer again. Well, so far, just these first two colours. I think there is a couple of sort of opaque ones in there, hopefully. Like proper like base colours rather than sort of glitter toppers. It's what I sort of see these as, it's just glitter toppers. But yeah, sort of, you can kind of see it. It's sort of got like a brown tone to it, but it's very sheer. And the glitter on it is super fine. So I think I will have to give my swatch sticks a couple of coats, just sort of see that true colour. Mind you, you can kind of see it a bit better on these swatch buttons with the natural colour underneath, but yeah, definitely very sheer and jelly like. So next I'm going to go in with 055. This one looks like it's going to be much better, a nice sparkly brown again, but it looks like it's going to be quite a opaque colour. Or not. That's very sheer again. So I kind of expected this because I only paid £4 for them, and I sort of thought they're not likely to be great for £4. But the fact that they've like marked the price up to £20, like straight away I can sort of tell you that I just don't feel like these are worth the £20 at all, which is kind of a shame. Like, again, very fine glitter in it, but it's just so sheer. A shame, so I feel like if this one was more opaque, it'd be a really nice colour. I've been quite liking my browns recently, but I'm not really much of one for like jelly nails. I've never gone out of my way to purchase like jelly polishes or anything. I know like Beetles do a jelly collection that I know a few of the girls have got, but it's just not for me. It's just really not for me. Okay, so this is number 53. I'm just not feeling excited about these. I tell you what as well, this has got to be the most potent smelling gel polish I've ever used as well. Normally, I don't really notice much of a scent at all, gel polish, not unless you get right up close to it. But this one really does smell very strong. Kind of smells like glue. And again, like, look how sheer that is. It is pretty. And it's got a very nice subtle sort of gold sparkle to it, but there's practically nothing there really, is there? I'll tell you what, just the scent of these alone is enough to put me off using them. It is so strong. Especially this particular one. Like, this one's literally like taking my breath away, it's that strong. And like, I've used quite a few different brands of gel polish now. Never ever had any that smell as strong as these. Okay, and we've got number 50. Yeah, it's another glittery. I thought there was a couple of others like normal colours in here, but it looks like they're all going to be sparkly. So it probably would look really pretty over the top of another colour. To be honest, for the price that they are now, I'm actually really disappointed. I was hoping they were going to be really good and super affordable and a great product to recommend you all. But so far, not overly impressed. Like, that is pretty, don't get me wrong, that is pretty. But I just would have preferred more opaque colour. That one probably is my favourite out of them. It also looks really pretty on the swatch button there, but yeah, so far not overly impressed. Okay, so the last one is number 17. Oh, there we go, that's a normal colour. Let's see. That's a bit more like it. That's a nice colour, that's a really nice colour. It's quite thick gel polish as well, this one. So that is a beautiful colour, I do really like that. It is a little bit on the sheer side, but it's not too bad. But the smell, again, is so strong. Okay, let's do my swatch button. I don't know if they're called swatch buttons. But yeah, I've been slowly doing all of my gel polish. That's definitely a much better system for finding the right colour quickly. Okay, so I have just gone back in and given those, well, they've had 3 coats in total now. I'm not overly impressed. Don't get me wrong, they cure okay, they are pretty colours, but do I think they're worth £20? Absolutely not. I would never, well, I wouldn't pay £20 for any 6 gel polishes anyway, to be honest. But the quality of them in general, I just don't feel like they're worth it. Like, that has had 3 coats, very sheer. 3 coats, ridiculously sheer. That one, again, it's just really sheer. These two, after 3 coats, have come through quite nice. Like, I really do love the colour of that one. And that is absolutely gorgeous as well. I think for the £4 I personally paid for them, yeah, good deal. But the fact they've marked them up now to £20, no. I would never recommend these in a million years. I would personally recommend go get some Ica, this brand, or some Beetles for £20 and get 20 colours. It's not even like the bottles are really big, they're only 8ml bottles. And like, this brand here is 8ml bottles. I bought a 25-piece collection from these for £18 and it's really good gel polish. I'm really happy with them. So if you're looking for some affordable, good quality gel polish, go with this brand or Beetles gel polish. They're both on Amazon and fantastic brands. This, not worth £20. I think for the £4 I paid, yeah, I've got myself a good deal. But I don't see me reaching for these very often. I find the colours in here a little bit random. And the scent is enough to put me off. The fact that they smell as strong as they do makes me not want to use them because it's a bit too much. Like, I'm sat here just feeling ugh, because the scent is really just not pleasant at all. Like, it's not the worst scent in the world, but it's just not a pleasant smell that you would want to sit here and work with for hours on end. So I'm not overly hyped on these gel polishes at all, and I personally wouldn't recommend them. I've done reviews on a few different companies' gel polish now. Like I said, like, if you want some good quality cheap gel polish, go with Beetles, go with Ica, go with Emily. Like, there's plenty of other brands out there. Even AliExpress gel polish, like, I've tried a few from AliExpress now, and even they are so much better than these. So yeah, these aren't for me. I'm glad they only cost me £4 because it's not too much money wasted. Yeah, it's not often that I'm unhappy with a product, but these for £20, no chance. Just simply no chance. I don't think they're worth it at all. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comment. Would you pay £20 for this 6-piece? Or would you even pay £4 for this 6-piece? Let me know. I'd love to hear your opinion on them all. But anyways, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Sorry it's not a great one. It's very rare that I review something I don't like. So yeah, this is one product I don't like. It's not terrible. It cured fine, but it's just not very opaque. The fact that you need 3 coats really to even get somewhat of a decent colour with them, you're going to get through those 8ml bottles really quickly. The smell is just sort of a big no-no for me, and overall, yeah, not happy. But yeah, I hope you have all enjoyed watching anyways. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, or if you haven't already. And other than that, much love to you all, and I shall see you next video. Bye!